Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Director General Jongka NCC Lieutenant General Gobir Pal Singh Ulawan Jingo yaka Directorate Jongka NCC kaba arsni kaba don hashilong katega jingwan jongu ban yakendu yakinong tray badikilat patai khubor yaka bala penlong ha Directorate NCC hakani ka jingya kren hedu Jongka NCC ulaya tu yakisternot kibla ai naka NCC la itu bat buram hakari baro kawai khamtam mikisamla bawat kam Shipai bat Pulit haki jala Jongkari India Director General ke NCC ula ong shushu ru ba ha ka jingwan jong u shakani ka than shatai la mingi jongkari India ka Directorate ka badon ha shillong ka de ka we ni ki Directorate ha kari India ka lawan ra nam ha ki babun ki jingya kop haba phai shaka jala Meghalaya ula ong ba ulaya kendu ru yaki bor jong ka sarkar jala ha ka ba kilaya kren ban penyar yaki NCC ha ki school ki badon ha ka ni ka jala khamtam ha khapot bat ka Bangladesh bad yaki jing hikai la pha shiki jaka badon ki Shipai Director General la pen ko buram ro ya ar phoi ngot ki nong tray hapo jong ka NCC ki bladon ha ki jala ha ka ni ka than shate la mingi jong kari India
vacancies have been subscribed by this directorate. Any function, any activities, any training activities, any sports activities, any cultural activity which we see, this directorate always perform outstanding. We just had a function on 15th August where we had cadets from all the districts of the country had come, and we could find the cadets of this directorate dressed and standing out in that. After that, recently you saw that Durant Cup, the cultural performance of this directorate has been outstanding, and we are now eagerly waiting for the Subroto Cup from this region in NCC. And recently we have in water area expansion, we had given vacancies to NCC units here. I am very happy to see that enrollment and participation of all cadets of all NER region in NCC activities.
Come back.
I am on a 2-day visit to our NER directorate here to oversee the training activities of NCC. As you are aware that after the pandemic has finished, NCC is going full swing in all physical activities, and I am very happy to see the performance of NER directorate in all the activities of NCC, be it NCC training activities, be it firing, be it sports competition, be it cultural competition, be it SSCD, be it Pulit Sagar activities. The performance of this directorate has always been outstanding. I am very happy with the cadets and the training the cadets perform in this time.
Like we have seen in the last 10 to 15 years, there are thousands of students who enroll themselves in NCC. What is the current trend in our state in Meghalaya?
I had just met the Honorable Education Minister, and the current state of NCC in Meghalaya is also very nice. We are having enrollment from every place for NCC. Recently, 2 of the companies of NCC have been upgraded to battalions, and